Get my ass in here somehow. Okay. Hello everyone, it's Nady, and welcome back to another bathtub video. I don't know what the fuck this is called, but we're here. As you beautiful people know, any tiff you may have, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, how is everyone today? I hope wherever you're at in this fine, multifaceted universe, you are having a beautiful day. I am a little bit frustrated, and I hate coming on here with negativity, but y'all are literally my friends and my family, and I don't know where else to turn because this is a YouTube related topic, and it seems like YouTube or Google, whoever the fuck runs it, could not give fewer shits, and it is so frustrating and disheartening and so uninspiring to now be a part of this community, and I need to get some shit off my chest. So thank you for listening. I'm sure I'll lose a lot of subscribers from this, like always, but people come and go, and if they want to come back, they're always welcome in this home. First off, I'm not making this video to like promote my Patreon or patron, however the fuck you say it, but I did finally start one because I've been running into so many issues with YouTube. So if you're interested in content that's made for that, plus you'll get videos a day early, then please feel free to check out my Patreon. It's down below. Otherwise, it's patreon.com/poplux. I'm so grateful to everyone, especially the people who are a part of that, so thank you all, and just thank you all so much for being here in general. Like, you don't know how fucking much I appreciate you. You're not some view for me, you are literally the people that I turn to when I'm having a hard time, when I have good news, when I have bad news, when I have anything in between. I always go on YouTube, and you cheer me up, you help settle me, so when I say you are my life, I mean it. Y'all are my friends, my family, my actual life, so thank you. My God, I sound pathetic, what the fuck? But the point of today's video, even though I absolutely love YouTube, and I've made this my home, and I've created kind of a little world where everybody can escape the negativity, something has to change because the way that it's going right now, I'm gonna go out of business. Like, I cannot afford to keep doing videos for free. I am so fortunate to call this my job. Like, this is literally a dream job. Like, how many people get to wake up, go across the hall into a big studio with all these lights and like scream into a camera and play with my favorite thing in the world? No, it's not a peony. Well, okay, my second favorite thing in the world, makeup. That to me just blows my mind, like how many people would kill for this opportunity and probably have killed for this opportunity. But the fact that this is my reality and I'm able to help people and change the world in some minuscule way, that to me is such a fucking honor. And no, I might not be the best at makeup, and I'm sure I use a lot of the shit incorrectly. I'm human, but still, we have fun on this channel. It's not meant to be taken seriously. And the amount of messages that I've gotten from people saying, you helped me get through chemo, you helped save my life. As a family, we sit down and watch your content, and it's brought us so much closer. Like, that stuff, it literally makes me want to cry because that is what I've always wanted to do with my life. Like, I want to be able to turn my channel and turn it into something hugely positive and anyways, so the last couple months, I have not earned like a single dime profit because the moment I upload my video, even before it's published, even before it like has a chance to process, it instantly gets demonetized, and there's something so fucked up with that because there's no way any human could have like flagged it by then, even if they work for YouTube. There's gotta be some glitch somewhere, and this is totally not your fault, not your problem, but like I said, I don't have anywhere else to turn to. I don't have anywhere to like spread my voice other than here because Google is not listening. Their workers do not care. I just got off of the chat with a Google employee, which I will read the whole chat to you and show you exactly how few fucks they give. It is so disheartening to literally go from like skyrocketing, not that my channel skyrocketed at any point, it's not like I'm some huge YouTuber. I mean, we're almost at 200,000 subscribers, which to me is no like tiny titty. That is a huge accomplishment in my opinion, and I'm so grateful for every one of you that are here. But if you compare my channel to like the bigger ones with millions and millions of people, they could literally get away with fucking murdering somebody or doing or saying anything online, yet they still earn millions of dollars from their AdSense. Yet me, like today, I just uploaded the CoverGirl review, and like I just said, before it was done processing, before it was published, before I had title, picture, anything, it was instantly demonetized. Like, there's creators out there who spread racism, sexism, homophobia, like everything, yet I slap some foundation on my face and suddenly I can't earn from that. I know I'm going off on like a million tangents here, and I know that I use a lot of swearing, I use a lot of inappropriate jokes, but the videos that aren't demonetized are the ones that I do both those things the most. Like, when I go to the creator studio and look at the ones that are still monetized, I can't even tell you the amount of times I said dick or dropped the F-bomb like 70 times in the video, and there was nothing. And so I kind of thought that it was my language, but why would so many videos with bad language in it not be demonetized? Yet my more innocent ones, I mean, innocent, how innocent could I really be? They get demonetized. I don't know if there's like some flag on my channel since I started doing the devil's lettuce stuff, but the person that I spoke... Oh my god, I just realized my audio wasn't recording. I'm sorry about that, but the person that I spoke to with Google... What was I even talking about? Oh yeah, a flag on my channel. The person that I talked to with Google said, no, that doesn't really happen, like that's not a thing. And I was like, then why is it that the moment I upload a video, it gets demonetized? Like, that is so fucking fishy, and it happens to every video. So I kind of want to read to you exactly what YouTube had to say. Today, right when I uploaded my video and it got instantly demonetized, I was like, fuck this, there has to be somebody that I can contact, because you can click for like a human to review it, but it could take like up to a week. And like after a week, the video has severely plateaued. It's not getting any more views. Any advertising that could have been on there, like nobody's gonna want to advertise on a video that isn't getting views anymore. Like any advertising possibilities, they are gone after a week. And I really can't complain too much because YouTube has been pretty good to me, but I think that's more on you versus YouTube. Like when I started really earning good money on YouTube, I quit my job because YouTube was supposedly on the rise. My content was getting great views, and it still does get pretty good views, and I would earn a lot if I actually got paid for the content that I made. And so these last couple months, I earned just enough to pay for my rent, not enough to pay for the products that I was reviewing, certainly nothing for my time, and it's all because these videos get instantly demonetized. I don't know what the fuck is up with it, but it's like, something has got to change, otherwise I can't keep doing this. Like, I can't just do this because I love it. Like, nobody goes into work because they love it. They go into work because they love it and they get paid for it. So I don't mean to complain because, like I said, I am so grateful, but I don't know who else to talk to about this. Like, if anybody has any insights that aren't like, don't use profanity and don't make so many dick jokes, because I don't think that's it at this point. I think there's literally like a bug or something in the system, because like Jeffree swears he smoked on camera. Like every big YouTuber swears they have potty mouths and they make millions. Look at like Jenna Marbles. Like, I understand that they're at different advertising tiers, but that shouldn't matter. Like, why are the little people getting pushed to the side and like thrown away with the garbage? It does not make sense. So anyways, let me go ahead and tell you exactly what Google said. They have a Google support, and her name was Leanne. She was trying to be so helpful, I'm sure, but you could tell that she was probably sitting on her couch eating a bag of Cheetos, didn't really care. So I first reached out saying, every video I put out gets demonetized even before it's released. It doesn't matter what the content is, and it's no different than creators that are still earning on YouTube. I would like to know exactly why my content is being instantly demonetized, as there is no way it can be flagged by someone within seconds of it being uploaded and still unpublished. So Leanne says, hi, I hope you're doing well today, and I wanted to say, like, bitch, I'd be better if I were earning money, but I'm nice. I don't say that to people's face. Then she says, I understand that you need help with your video monetization. I said, thank you, you as well. I'm very discouraged as YouTube is my full-time job, and this month and the last month, every video has been demonetized. She says, let me help you sort things out today. I say, thank you. She says, that's understandable. I may not be a YouTuber like you, but I know that it ain't easy to make videos for your channel. I said, exactly. She says, can you provide a video URL to something that you want me to check out? So I gave her the video that I just posted, which was the CoverGirl one, where I tried to be, for the most part, safe in that video. Like, I did say fuck a few times and maybe shit, but like, for me, it was very, very minimal. Oh god, my leg is falling asleep. Okay, we're gonna just put it out right there. Is that annoying? Whatever, we'll live with it. So then she says, I'll check into this, give me 5 minutes. I said, certainly I do use adult language, but much less than I do in my monetized videos. I thought maybe that was the issue, but I don't get it. And then they say, let me see what I can find. And then like 5 or so minutes passed and they said, thank you for waiting patiently. I said, no problem. To which she says, I can see that this video was just published in the last hour and received a yellow icon, meaning demonetized or limited to no ads, which means pretty much no ads, which I'm not really certain about either because a lot of videos that have that yellow icon still have a bunch of ads on them, yet they make zero money for me. So does that mean like Google is taking all that money and not giving me any? What the fuck? Anyways, I said, yep, literally 30 seconds of it even being uploaded before it was even published, it got demonetized. Then they say usually when it gets that yellow icon, it means it doesn't completely meet the advertiser-friendly content guidelines stated in this article. I looked on the article, literally everything except worshiping some god that I don't even know of is on there. Like, you can't say sex, you can't say anything like sexual education. Sorry, that's not me like shitting myself, I'm just adjusting. You can't even say nude. Like, if I'm reviewing a nude lipstick, I would instantly get demonetized. I know that because I have. You can't say any words pertaining to race, whether good or bad. There's like this giant list of things that people say on YouTube all the time who are huge, and yet they still get like buku bucks. So I don't get that. And I said, so we're not allowed to swear anymore? And she says, possible reasons could be the nature of your video, also metadata, including your video title, thumbnail, or tags. What the fuck? That's literally every aspect of my video. That is so not helpful. And then she continues, I really can't give you a yes or no answer since another team handles these inquiries, and those are the people who do the human reviews. And I said, is there any way to get into contact with them? Because it's very odd that this happens before anyone sees it. Like, do channels get automatically flagged? And she says, I see you've already requested a human review. I said, I have, but it takes several days, and by the time they check it and remonetize it, the video's views are already at their peak and I won't have earned anything anyways. And then she says, I really wish there was a direct way that we could get into contact with them. I was like, aren't they like next door or something? Like, don't you share an office building? What the fuck? So I said, I do too. How can we make that happen? And then she kind of ignored that and said, I'm afraid the best thing we can do now is wait until they provide the results. I said, yikes, that's really the best we can do? Then she continued, as an alternative, you can put the video unlisted or private while you wait. Anytime I do that, because of YouTube's fucked up algorithm, because it's already published, it'll just get pushed down and all the new videos that people are coming out with will like dogpile on top of that. And so when I do finally make it published, nobody will care because all the people who got the notifications will click on it, see that it's unlisted, totally forget about it. And so that video won't get views. I've done that before. It does not work. And what really bugs me is you'd think that they would like employ people who maybe have uploaded to YouTube before just so that they can kind of get the gist of how things work. But clearly they know nothing, and that just, it frustrates me to no end. I said, is there a way to get the people who do human reviews to look at my channel and stop the immediate flagging? To which she says, I don't believe that this is because of your channel. But then like, what else would it be? Like, I don't know. Like, what the hell? She says, the system is looking into your videos, usually how you make your videos and what's in your videos. And I said, then why is it that every video gets demonetized? And then I continued to say, which is absolutely true, that I've uploaded video of Ron just looking out the window to see if it stays monetized, and it instantly gets demonetized as well. Like a fucking wiener dog looking out the window. How harmful is that? And then she gave me another bullshit article saying, I recommend that you read this so you can better understand how this works. Like, honey, I think she might need to read it way more than I need to read it. Sorry, now I'm just getting bitter. Positivity. I said, do you know if there are certain tags that demonetize instantly? Like, I've been so careful with the titles and descriptions, to which she says that's totally out of my area of expertise. You may need to check the advertiser-friendly content guidelines. I said, okay, thanks. Will a copy of this email transcript be sent to me? She says, no, thank you so much for understanding. I said, no, I still don't understand it. And then she just gave me some reference number and said, I know. And then we closed off with her saying, this could really take time to familiarize ourselves with how these things work. To which I said, it would seem that they should figure it out before so that people whose lives depend on YouTube don't suffer. Thank you again and have a great day. What the fuck kind of help was that? Like, I could have gotten more help reading colonoscopy results. And so now I'm at the point where, like, do I continue doing YouTube? I don't want to let you all down, but also I have to earn an income. Like, this is my full-time job plus my company. Like, with those, there's no fucking time for me to go out and grab another job. Like, you aren't gonna see me flipping burgers at Burger King because I don't have the fucking time. Oh my god, I need some chapstick. I really need to focus on my products coming out because then if I do have some source of income, it'll make the lack of income here okay and it'll all kind of balance out. But like, I just don't know where the fuck to like put this. Because it's not fun to take like 3 hours and film a video and do all this makeup and like a wear time test and think, I wonder if I'm gonna get paid for this. And then wonder like, oh, am I gonna have to return this product because I won't even earn enough to pay for it? Like, YouTube is a multi-billion-dollar company, yet they have this issue. No like justifiable corporation would ever let this slide. Like, nobody goes into work and thinks, oh, I wonder if I'm gonna get paid today. Maybe I'll be volunteering and doing this. Like, that completely defies the purpose of having a job. So, that is my rant. I feel like they just could not give fewer shits, which is so evident. Like, the amount of people I see on Twitter complaining about some way that YouTube has screwed them over royally, it's just like continuous. If there's any content creators out there that have run into their videos instantly getting demonetized and have figured out a way to fix that, please share your secrets. It'll be the same with me. If I figure it out by like some grace of the makeup god, then I will absolutely like make another video or post somewhere so that I can give insight, because this isn't right. Like, so many people are putting the stupidest, most vile shit out there and are getting millions of dollars. Yet the content creators who put out good quality, helpful things, they're getting like swept under the carpet. I don't understand that. So thank you for listening. This was a rant and utterly pointless. I promise the next bathtub videos will be positive. I've got a new bathtub series starting. I'm so excited for that. And hopefully this Patreon or patron, however the fuck you say it, I don't know. Hopefully that'll help. I'm gonna be uploading content there that won't be on YouTube, and everybody there will get the videos a day early. So there definitely are some perks, and I'd like to grow from there, but like YouTube right now, it's not fun. And this used to be the highlight of my life. Like, I used to wake up so early, excited to go and film, and now it's like I don't even have a reason to film. Actually, no, that's not true. I film because I love it, and I love you all, but I can't do it without earning money because it takes too much time. It takes too much effort. Like, I have done my dues. I've put in my time. Like, I fucking deserve it. So many people fucking deserve it. And I might have to fill this bitch up and actually take a bath. Just decompress. Anyways, thank you all so much for being here, for listening to me rant, for your continued support, for your views, for the beautiful comments that you leave, for the fantastic messages. I know it's completely different on the other side of the camera because for you, it's just something to click onto, but for me, it's my livelihood. And so it probably just sounds like stupid, like, privilege problems, but it's really not, because if they're earning money off of me, I should at least get some of that, you know? I'm sure things will work out for the better. Hopefully there's just a glitch in the system that's lasted 6 fucking months. Of course, I'm always gonna create content. It might not be as much in the future until I get this figured out, because it's not worth it to me. I could put my time and effort on things that will actually earn me money in the future. And I hate to put the money as like the base root of this, but like, daddy's gotta eat. I've got bills to pay. I've got a whole new collection to launch. Like, I have to pay for my shit. So if I'm not earning money at my job, what's the point in continuing with this job? I'm not quitting, but I just kind of have to figure my shit out. So once again, thank you all so much for your support. I hate coming on here with negativity, but I also want to be real with you and let you know what's happening. You deserve to know the truth. And if there's any updates, of course I will let you know. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.